Hey everyone, it's May, and these are going to be my outfits of the week for May. Just letting you know right now that these are not all from the same week, because you know it's like getting into like finals time of the year, so most of my outfits are like garbage bags, so I just wanted to show 4 nice ones. On Monday, I'm wearing this off-the-shoulder top from Old Navy, these skinny jeans from American Eagle, and then these high-heeled booties from Macy's. And then that choker is from Kohl's. My nails are painted purple and gold. That bracelet is from Kohl's as well, I believe. And then those are just my peridot earrings. And then for Tuesday, I'm wearing this, my gemstone earrings, and then that necklace is from Kohl's, and the white bralette is from Urban Outfitters, the top is from Kohl's, those are my high-waisted Lululemon leggings, and then those are just my gray Converse. On Wednesday, I'm wearing this romper from Forever 21, and then those are my gray high-top Converse again. Pearl earrings, and those 2 chokers are from Kohl's. And then on Thursday, I'm wearing this distressed top from Forever 21, the black bralette is from Urban Outfitters, American Eagle shorts, and then that plaid shirt's from Hollister, pearl earrings, and that Eiffel Tower necklace that I wear all the time. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe down below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.